Welcome! If you've ever dreamed of running your own online business, selling on Amazon is a fantastic place to start. In this video, we'll walk you through the entire process step by step, so you can launch your Amazon store with confidence. Whether you want to earn extra income or build a full-time business, these beginner-friendly tips will help you avoid common pitfalls and set yourself up for success. Let's dive in and discover how you can turn your ideas into profits on one of the world's largest marketplaces. Before you start, it's important to understand what the Amazon Marketplace is. Amazon allows individuals and businesses to list products for sale alongside its own inventory. This means you can reach millions of customers worldwide. There are two main types of sellers: individual sellers, who sell fewer items, and professional sellers, who operate at a larger scale. Knowing the difference will help you choose the right path for your business goals. When you're ready to sign up, Amazon offers two types of accounts: individual and professional. The individual account is best if you plan to sell fewer than 40 items per month, while the professional account is designed for higher volume sellers and comes with a monthly fee. Consider your goals, budget, and how many products you want to list before making your choice. This decision will affect your fees and selling options. To get started, visit Amazon Seller Central and begin the registration process. You'll need to provide basic information such as your name, business address, contact details, and bank account information for payments. Make sure all your details are accurate to avoid delays. Amazon may also ask for identity verification documents, so have those ready. Once your account is approved, you're officially an Amazon seller. Now it's time to decide what to sell. Product research is crucial for success on Amazon. Start by exploring bestseller lists, trending products, and customer reviews. Look for items with high demand but low competition. Consider your interests and expertise, as selling products you're passionate about can make the process more enjoyable. Use Amazon's tools and third-party software to analyze sales data and spot opportunities. Once you've chosen a product, you need to find a reliable supplier. You can source products from wholesalers, manufacturers, or even create your own. Platforms like Alibaba are popular for finding suppliers, but always vet them carefully. Request samples, check reviews, and communicate clearly about your requirements. Building a good relationship with your supplier ensures product quality and timely delivery. Before placing your first order, calculate all your costs. This includes product cost, shipping, Amazon fees, and any marketing expenses. Use Amazon's FBA calculator to estimate your profit margins. Understanding your numbers helps you price your products competitively while ensuring you make a profit. Don't forget to factor in taxes and unexpected expenses to avoid surprises later. Branding is more than just a logo. It's about creating a memorable experience for your customers. Choose a brand name that's unique and easy to remember. Design packaging that stands out and reflects your brand's values. Good branding builds trust and encourages repeat purchases. Consider registering your brand with Amazon's brand registry for added protection and marketing benefits. A great product listing is key to attracting buyers. Write clear, compelling titles and bullet points that highlight your product's features and benefits. Use high-quality images that show your product from multiple angles. Include keywords that customers are likely to search for. The better your listing, the more likely you are to convert browsers into buyers. Amazon is a search-driven platform, so optimizing your listings for search is essential. Use relevant keywords in your title, description, and back-end search terms. Research what your competitors are using and test different keywords to see what works best. Regularly update your listings to stay ahead of trends and improve your visibility in search results. Pricing can make or break your success on Amazon. Research your competitors and set a price that offers value while still making a profit. Consider using dynamic pricing tools to adjust your prices automatically based on market conditions. Remember, the lowest price isn't always best focus on the overall value you provide to customers. Amazon offers two main fulfillment options: Fulfillment by Amazon FBA and Fulfillment by Merchant FBM. With FBA, Amazon stores, packs, and ships your products, handling customer service and returns. FBM means you handle storage and shipping yourself. FBA is popular for beginners because it saves time and gives your products Prime eligibility, but it comes with additional fees. If you choose FBA, you'll need to prepare your products according to Amazon's requirements. This includes labeling each item with a barcode, packaging products securely, and shipping them to Amazon's fulfillment centers. Follow Amazon's guidelines closely to avoid delays or extra fees. Proper preparation ensures your products are received and processed quickly. Shipping your inventory to Amazon's warehouses is a critical step. Use Amazon's shipment creation tool to generate shipping labels and track your packages. Choose reliable carriers and ensure your shipments for peace of mind. Once your products arrive at the fulfillment center, Amazon will handle storage, shipping, and customer service for you. With your inventory in place, it's time to launch your first product. Announce your launch with a special promotion or discount to attract early buyers. Encourage friends and family to make initial purchases and leave honest reviews. Monitor your sales and feedback closely to identify any issues and make improvements. Reviews are essential for building trust and boosting sales. After your product launches, ask buyers for feedback in a polite and professional way. Avoid incentivizing reviews, as this goes against Amazon's policies. Respond to all reviews, both positive and negative, to show you care about customer satisfaction. Over time, positive reviews will help your product climb the rankings. Keeping track of your inventory is crucial to avoid running out of stock or over-ordering. Use Amazon's inventory management tools to monitor your stock levels in real time. Set up alerts for low inventory and reorder products before you run out. Proper inventory management ensures you can meet customer demand and maintain your sales momentum. Excellent customer service sets you apart from the competition. Respond to customer inquiries promptly and professionally. Address any issues or complaints with empathy and a willingness to resolve problems. Happy customers are more likely to leave positive reviews and become repeat buyers, helping your business grow. Amazon charges various fees for selling on its platform, including referral fees, fulfillment fees, and monthly subscription fees for professional sellers. It's important to understand these costs so you can price your products appropriately and maintain healthy profit margins. Review Amazon's fee schedule regularly, as rates can change over time. Tracking your sales performance helps you understand what's working and where you can improve. Use Amazon's analytics dashboard to monitor key metrics like sales volume, conversion rates, and customer feedback. Regularly review your performance and adjust your strategies to maximize growth and profitability. Amazon offers powerful advertising tools to help you promote your products. Sponsored products, sponsored brands, and sponsored display ads can boost your visibility and drive more sales. Start with a small budget and test different ad types to see what works best for your products. Analyze your ad performance and optimize your campaigns for better results. Promoting your Amazon products on social media can expand your reach and attract new customers. Create engaging content on platforms like Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok. Share product photos, customer testimonials, and behind-the-scenes stories. Social media marketing helps build your brand and drives traffic to your Amazon listings. Offering promotions and deals is a great way to boost sales and attract new customers. Use Amazon's built-in tools to create coupons, lightning deals, and special discounts. Time your promotions around holidays or shopping events for maximum impact. Monitor your results and adjust your strategies to find what works best for your products. Once you've found success with your first product, consider expanding your product line. Research complementary products or variations to offer your customers more choices. Diversifying your offerings can increase your sales and reduce risk if one product slows down. Always test new products carefully before investing heavily. Returns and refunds are a normal part of selling on Amazon. Make sure you understand Amazon's return policies and handle requests promptly. Process refunds quickly and communicate clearly with customers. A hassle-free return experience builds trust and encourages repeat business, even if things don't go perfectly every time. Your Amazon seller account is your business's lifeline. Follow all of Amazon's rules and policies to avoid suspensions. Monitor your account health dashboard for any warnings or issues. Address problems immediately and keep your performance metrics high. Protecting your account ensures your business can keep growing without interruptions. Many beginners make mistakes that can hurt their Amazon business. Avoid listing restricted products, violating Amazon's policies, or neglecting customer service. Stay informed about changes to Amazon's rules and adapt quickly. Learning from others' mistakes can save you time, money, and frustration as you grow your business. As your sales grow, look for ways to scale your business. Automate repetitive tasks, outsource where possible, and invest in tools that save you time. Consider expanding to new marketplaces or international Amazon sites. Scaling smartly allows you to increase profits without burning out. Running an Amazon business comes with tax and legal responsibilities. Keep accurate records of your sales and expenses. Consult with a tax professional to understand your obligations, including sales, tax collection, and income reporting. Register your business properly and protect your intellectual property to avoid legal troubles down the road. Data is your friend when selling on Amazon. Use analytics to track your sales, understand customer behavior, and identify trends. Look for patterns in your best-selling products and adjust your strategies accordingly. The more you learn from your data, the better decisions you can make for your business. You don't have to go it alone. Join Amazon seller forums, Facebook groups, and online communities to connect with other sellers, share experiences, ask questions, and learn from the collective wisdom of the community. Networking can help you solve problems faster and stay motivated on your journey. The e-commerce world is always changing. Stay updated with the latest trends, tools, and Amazon policy changes. Subscribe to industry newsletters, follow Amazon News, and attend webinars or conferences. Staying informed helps you adapt quickly and keep your business competitive. Negative feedback is inevitable, but how you handle it matters. Respond to criticism professionally, and look for ways to improve your products or service. Sometimes, a thoughtful response can turn an unhappy customer into a loyal fan. Use feedback as an opportunity to grow and strengthen your business. Your product listings should evolve over time. Update your photos, descriptions, and keywords based on customer feedback and sales data. Test different titles and images to see what converts best. Continuous improvement keeps your listings fresh and competitive in the marketplace. Automation tools can save you time and reduce errors. Use software to manage inventory, pricing, and advertising campaigns. Automate routine tasks like order processing and customer emails. This frees you up to focus on growing your business and finding new opportunities. Amazon operates in many countries, giving you the chance to reach global customers, research international marketplaces, and understand local regulations, taxes, and shipping requirements. Expanding internationally can open up new revenue streams and help your business grow faster. Brand protection is vital as your business grows. Register your trademarks and enroll in Amazon's brand registry to safeguard your intellectual property. Monitor for counterfeit or unauthorized sellers and report violations promptly. Protecting your brand ensures your reputation and profits remain secure. Repeat customers are the backbone of a successful Amazon business. Offer excellent service, follow up with buyers, and consider loyalty programs or special offers. Personal touches, like thank you notes or fast responses, can turn one-time buyers into lifelong fans. Sales on Amazon can fluctuate with seasons and holidays. Plan your inventory and marketing strategies around peak times like Black Friday, Christmas, or back to school. Analyze past sales data to predict demand and avoid stockouts or excess inventory during slow periods. Fast shipping is a major selling point on Amazon. Use FBA for Prime eligibility or partner with reliable carriers if fulfilling orders yourself. Communicate shipping times clearly and keep customers updated on their orders. Quick delivery leads to happier customers and better reviews. Amazon frequently updates its policies and requirements. Stay informed by reading official announcements and checking your Seller Central dashboard. Adapt your business practices quickly to stay compliant and avoid disruptions. Being proactive helps you maintain a healthy account and steady sales. As your business grows, you may need expert help. Consider hiring accountants, legal advisors, or Amazon consultants to handle complex issues. Investing in professional support can save you time, reduce risks, and help you scale more efficiently. Every milestone, big or small, is worth celebrating. Take time to acknowledge your achievements and reflect on how far you've come. Success on Amazon takes hard work and persistence, so reward yourself and your team for reaching your goals. The journey doesn't end here. Keep learning by reading books, taking courses, and staying active in the Amazon seller community. The more you know, the better equipped you'll be to handle challenges and seize new opportunities in your business. Selling on Amazon is a journey filled with challenges and rewards. Remember, every successful seller started as a beginner. Stay persistent, keep learning, and don't be afraid to try new things. With dedication and the right strategies, you can build a thriving business on Amazon. Good luck on your selling journey.